Hello students. In this session you will learn about notice writing. Okay. Introduction. What are the features of notice writing? The format, the way we write the notice, tips for writing a notice, what points we have to keep in mind writing notice, sample notices and activities based on notice. So first of all, what is notice writing? A notice is a short piece of writing which is usually formal in style to inform people about an event or activity. When you have to inform a group of people about an event or an activity to be organized in future, we use notice writing. Okay, a notice is an official mode of announcement. Its function is to publicize or present information to a particular group of people. Okay, why to learn notice writing? Okay, I'll explain with the help of simple case study. Here you can see the picture, the teachers announcing about the science fair which is going to organize on 10th of November 2020 on World Science Day, and teachers ask the students who want to participate can raise their hand, and the topics that can be included in exhibition and last day to submit will be displayed in school notice board. Okay, as well as in web portal. You can print the notice in the web portal also. Nowadays many people print the notice in the web portal as well as on the school notice board, or they can give the circular. So whatever circular we get or whatever information we get about any future event, it's considered as a notice. Okay, why we need to learn notice? Why it is necessary to learn notice writing? Is it necessary? Yes. Remember this thing, if your why is clear, then how will be very easier. You should know why we do this certain things, why we write notice. It is not possible to remember every bit of oral information. Okay, if I say something to you and if I give you some information like there's certain event is going to take place at this time, at this place, these are the criteria, so you will not able to understand, you will not able to remember everything. So written communication is always better than oral communication. Whatever we write we remember first, and if we listen something we may forget. Okay, so purpose of written communication is to enable effective communication. So with the help of written communication, people will understand and people also remember about that event or any activity. What are the characteristics of a notice? First, it should be short piece of writing. You should have to write notice in very short, proper formal in style. Okay, you have to use proper formal, no a first person pronoun, I, we, you, not like that. Mostly printed or pasted on notice board or on a web portal. Okay, it makes information very simple because it's very simple, people can understand the whole event about that event very concise way. Notice could not be more than 50 words, very concise way and in a very attractive form. Okay, draw the box, name of the institution or organization on the top, use of the word notice in capital, date of issue you would write down on the left corner, relevant content in about 50 words, and the name and designation of issuing authority. Who is issuing the notice? You have to write down the name and designation. Okay. You can see the format, name of the school or name of the organization. Okay. Notice word, date of issue, heading for the notice. You can now contain contains these things. When that event happen, when that event going to happen, why, what is the purpose, where, how, and other relevant information. Okay, and signature with the name and designation. Signature is not compulsory, name and designation is okay. Okay, this is the format, simple format of notice. Tips on how to write a notice. Plan out notice in a rough working space. You have to plan notice like which event will take place, what event, at which time, what is the date on that event will occur. Make it visually appealing with suitable heading and catchy phrase. Okay, you have to write a very catchy phrase, proper suitable heading, date of issue, grammar and style of language very important. When you're writing something, you have to follow proper grammar and language, grammar syntax. Okay, grammatical mistakes should not occur. Write other relevant details like time, date, venue, what is about, who can participate, and so on. So these are the tips on how to write a notice. What points to remember? Use capital letter for details, names and of organizations or captions, date on the top left hand corner, entire content in a box, Okay, avoid using first person. I told you like I, we, or second person like you. A word limit should not be more than 50 words. The message to be conveyed using clear and simple language. It should be very clear and simple language. Remember the 5 W's. Event wise, sequence wise, it's given. What is going to happen? First event, where that event will take place, when, at date and time, who can apply or eligible for it, whom to contact or apply. Okay, that is the issuing authority. Issuing authority can be different, or whom to contact. Like you have to submit the name to the class teacher, to the activity in charge, okay, or to the house captain. And issuing authority can be different. It's okay. It can be happen. Simple one. You are the head girl of a school. Draft a notice to inform the students that a tree plantation program is going to be conducted. Give the necessary details in the notice. So as you can see, first we have put the heading, then the word notice, and then the heading of tree plantation program, date. Okay, the environment club is organizing a tree plantation program on 20th October 2020 at 9 a.m. Under this program, 500 new trees will be planted in the campus area. Free seeds and saplings will also be distributed. All the students are invited to take part in this program. Rajiv Agarwal, Secretary. So this notice is written by head boy or head girl, and the issuing authority is Rajiv Agarwal, Secretary. Okay, so it can be possible. Different person can write the notice. The example of notice is your school is arranging an inter-house essay writing competition. Being the house captain, write a notice to invite students to participate. So again, heading notice word inter-house essay writing competition, and the notice when on 18 January. Okay, time at 10 a.m. Where library, topics, topics given. Those students who are interested to apply, who can apply? They can, anyone can apply. They can give them into schoolhouse captain. The last date to submit the application or names is 12th January 2012. Okay, and who is issuing authority? Rajesh Agarwal, activity in charge.